guys, this is just a short video talking a little bit about pintail waterfowls and mandrels. We offer 5 different mandrels. We actually have a 1/2 inch that I'm out of stock on, so I can't have it here for the video. We have a 3/4, which is great for the grunt calls. It has a 5/8 tenon, so you don't need another collet. If you don't have it, you can just use your 5/8 collet that you use for everything else. We have a smooth, which has no knurling on it at all. We made this one, and I recommend it when you're doing clear acrylics, things you can see through and you don't want to scratch the inside. That'll help to reduce the scratching. We have our fine knurl, which is usually our most popular one. It works for everything, and any of these mandrels will work for anything. Just they're a little better on what they do. This one here is just for regular acrylic. It doesn't have quite the aggressive knurling because it doesn't need to bite in as much. And then we have our rough knurling, which works a little bit better on wood. It keeps it from getting filled up with sawdust so quick and just tends to bite in a little bit more. I keep them all on hand if I happen to over drill something a little bit. It's a little tall or a little wide, the hole. It helps having this little bit of extra grip in there. The way our mandrels work, that's a little different than everybody else. We don't use a tiny little set screw. Ours are actually machined out. What this does by having that screw in there, it's a tapered head screw, so as the screw goes in, it forces the fingers out to hold your barrel from the inside. You don't have to put so much force on it, which is nice. It just takes, just snug it up, and it's usually enough to hold. If it's slipping a little, just give it another 1/8 of a turn. It doesn't need a whole lot of force, and then it doesn't strip out nearly as easy as the little set screw ones that some of the other guys make. I've never had good luck with them. They've always stripped out. So when we designed these, we did them straight shank, so you don't need anything special. You don't have to use a tapered fit. You can put them right into your collet chuck, and they work really, really well.